the adoption and the utilization of exchange-traded funds by different client or user classes. Most recently, we saw the fifth installment, for example, of the Greenwich survey of institutional investors and their use of ETFs. And so 5 years consecutively, what we've seen is not only the utilization by institutions increasing, but the nature of that utilization changing. So at this point, I believe it was cited that 80% of the investors cited as an application core usage in their overall portfolio applications. This is really important because it spots a trend that we saw and we thought about when we were even founding our own business, that investors of all sorts would move to the point where ETFs would be a core tool used in the construction of investment portfolios. That's a very powerful trend, the evolving of the entrants or the providers in the marketplace. And so when we look today in the US market, we're sort of at 53 and counting in terms of the sponsors, but think of some of the names that have more recently in the last year entered the marketplace, with the likes of the Fidelities, or even the recent introduction by JP Morgan of their first exchange-traded fund, moving from where they previously just had exchange-traded notes. The reason I mention this is because not only are you seeing the acceptance grow among the users, but you're seeing historical providers of asset management content who already have recognition and brand in the marketplace further entering, legitimizing, and pushing forward the exchange-traded funds marketplace. And so I think that's actually an important development, and one that actually should be expected, but you're seeing it materialize. In terms of the development in the marketplace, certainly there's still a fair amount of discussion around, say, actively managed ETFs. And I do believe we will get to a spot on the horizon where you will see more uptake of those products. That being said, it still is a bit of ways off. If you look at of the 1.8 trillion or so in assets that we have, actively managed ETFs still make up less than 1% of that AUM. And the reality is, even in those strategies, the AUM is concentrated in several fixed income strategies, two namely. I believe that as we see more evolution and clarity on the regulatory front, and we see more entrance from the traditional asset management space, you will see that evolve. But for the foreseeable future, over the next 2, 3, and 4 years, I think you will continue to see this focus on non-traditional index strategies, and I think that's where a lot of the action will be in terms of the growth in assets and the growth in the number of strategies that you see in the exchange-traded fund marketplace.